a helpful video about lead generation that offers many useful tips. You have to generate new leads, but how? What does it take to bring in people who really want what you're selling? It takes determination and skill, but it also takes knowledge. To start your education, check out the many helpful tips and tricks below as soon as possible. Incorporate social media into your efforts to generate more leads, and you will be more successful. Many people do all of their browsing through social media sites these days, so that's where your business needs to be. Cover the major platforms with great offers specifically targeted to your potential customers and watch the leads come in. Incentives for buying can greatly enhance lead generation, just from customers acting on the incentive itself. An example of this would be offering something that most people need and would regularly buy, as this is a great incentive to take you up on your offer. Giving your customers increased incentives to purchase your product will generate more leads for your business. Reward your current loyal customers for providing you leads. One way that many companies do this is by offering their current customers referral rewards. These rewards run from future discounts to actual cash back. This can be a lot cheaper in the long run than any form of traditional advertising. Know your target market. When you understand the specific group that most needs the products or services you offer, you will be able to reach them more efficiently. For example, if you are trying to reach elderly customers, you have a better chance of generating leads if you avoid a skateboard shop. Now you know how to bring in leads which will be lucrative. This is the knowledge you needed to ensure future success. As soon as you start using this data, you'll find your business only gets better. Start your lead generation planning today so that customers flock in and your profits soar. Student loan.